Well, here we have the cockpit of Alan's PoorBoy as it is. It's kind of dirty at the moment, but simple instrument panel. Engine instruments are over here. Master switch. Comes up with our altimeter and knot meter, as well as on the other side is the tach. We can set our barometric pressure there. I'm trying to get this nose thing working okay, and some rough colors on it. The tubes ready to go. Windshield on, although dirty. So some protection on the tail surfaces there, so the aileron, that will be the engine mount. Tail surfaces are all folded up right now. My modified tail wheel setup. Rudder's hooked up, but the elevators have to be disconnected when it's folded. They go through that linkage right there. And,